How to allow multiple responses on Google Forms. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way on how you can allow multiple responses on Google Forms. But before we begin, I want you to head down below to like the video and subscribe to our channel. So let's get right into the video. First thing at first, you are going to have to open up Google Chrome or any other web browser and head over to forms.google.com. Directly open up Google Forms. Now, once you have done that, you can open up any form that you've previously published. So let me just open up this form right here. So once you have opened up the form and it has been published, what you can do is click on responses. And if you've gotten any response, it will show right here. And if you want, you could also link it to your sheets. But if you have restricted the response to only one response, then you can adjust it on your settings. Head over to the settings tab and then click on this responses drop down. And once you've done that, if this toggle is turned on, then the respondents will be required to sign into Google and it will only limit to one response. So one person can only add a response one time to your form. If they want to add multiple, they're going to have to use different accounts. But if you turn it off like this, then they can add multiple responses with the same account. So that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to click on this publish option to save the settings and you're good to go. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.